Hi everyone, greetings for the day. My name is Sidaram, your favorite realtor from Rodes Realtors, a place where every question regarding to Dubai real estate is answered very keenly and perfectly to make sure your alignment towards the investment in Dubai is seamless. So today we are at a very special location where one of the first and the most prestigious launch is happening in Dubai. Now to tell you about this particular launch, this launch is done by one of the most renowned developer Arada for the location which is right in front of the Burj Khalifa. Now what we are going to do today is we are going to go through a journey to understand about the developer first, what this developer is doing in the market, then we'll understand about the project specifics, what is this project is all about, how the project is going to give you an experience altogether to have the seamless connectivity within the parameters of downtown, how exactly is the appreciation scope, how a person who is going to invest over there can achieve good heights of appreciation and rental incomes. We're going to discuss specifically about these parts, and today during this journey I have two special persons with me. One is Mr. Meena from Arada, he's the sales director over there, and the second one is Tareen. She is going to take us through a journey to understand the project specifics very clearly. So stay on the video till the end so that the entire experience of this discovery will be memorable for you, and if you have any questions after that, you always know how to reach out to us so that we can answer each one of your queries. So Meena, I would like to start first of all with Arada. So I just wanted to understand what Arada is doing in the market, what's their background, where they're coming from, what are the projects they have done. So eventually an history of Arada, why someone should choose when they're investing in UAE, specifically to go with Arada itself.
Okay, this is a good question. First, we're talking about Arada. Arada is a semi-government company under Zahin Sultan bin Ahmed Al Qasmi and his partner Prince Khalid bin William Talal Al Saud. We started in Sharjah in 2017 with our first project, Nasma Residence. We already handed over 6 phases, 1,100 units. 6 phases sold out or handed over already. Other project or another project we launched in 2020. We starting or 2018, and our office already opened in 2020 in Al Jada. This is new downtown in Sharjah. Yeah, located exactly in next to or before University City, the biggest university city in Sharjah and the Middle East as well, in front of Sharjah International Airport. This is a huge project. We can call this one as a new downtown in Sharjah. This total area 25 million square feet. We have, that's a huge and mixed-use community as well, because we have a mall inside designed by Zoha Hadid. We have 3 schools there. We have some buildings. We have townhouses and villas. We have 3 international schools. We have a business district there. We have healthcare community there. Because of that, we call this one as a mixed-use community.
So all in all, everything is there.
Yes, exactly, in this location, in this community. Third, the project for us in Sharjah, Masar 1, 7 phases, located in Emirates Road, directly to Emirates Road, behind Tilal City.
Is it the one nearby to that Grand Mosque?
Yes. 5 minutes exactly from Grand Mosque to reach Masar 1, 4,000 units. We handed over really 3 phases. The other phases, it will be within this year. Maximum it will be in June 2026. We launched Masar 2 as well, and also we have An Antara, this branded one in Sharjah. This is the first branded or first project. It will be with the access beach for Sharjah and the freehold as well. And this under or with a partner with An Antara Resort. This our projects in Sharjah. We have many projects in Dubai. We started in 2021 in Jubilee Hills, Jumeirah Golf Estate. This is townhouses and villas. Total units we have in this project 294 units. Total it's sold out, 3 phases. Another project we already launched in Balma Jumeirah, this Armani project. That's we're talking about the super ultra luxury project. This one only 53 units. That's it. That's total building G+9, only 53 units in Armani. That's in Balma Jumeirah. That's the first or second project worldwide was Armani private beach after Armani in Miami in USA. This is the second project under name Armani, and we have access beach to in Balma Jumeirah, located in Dubai.
Understood.
Third project in Dubai, we have a W Residence that's located in Dubai Harbour Marina. And we can talk about the last project or last launched project in Akala that's located in Zabil area.
This is the new launch.
This is a new launch.
So Akala, it's gonna be the first residential to be based on the well-being service. It's all based on the well-being service with the treatment. It's either clinical or medical. It's gonna be done by 2 twin towers. You have 4 basement level. You have 3 podium level, and the apartments starting from the 4th floor up till the 51st floor. The long of the building, it's gonna be like around 220 meters. So it's gonna be long enough. You will have the apartment from 1 bedroom up to the 6 bedroom. The 1 bedroom starting size is 1,036 square foot up to the our presidential 6 bedroom with the size of around 24,000 square foot. So you have this side, it's gonna be the view of Burj Khalifa view. The other side, it's gonna be the index view. So we are exactly on the border between the IFC Zabil 2. Your Burj Khalifa view will never be blocked because you have the Sheikh's Palace here. You will have always the Burj view. And you can walk by 7 minutes almost to reach the Dubai Mall. The price is gonna start from 3,800,000 almost, and the payment plan is so easy. The payment plan is gonna be 60-40 with a down payment of 10% and 4% DLD, and then after 2 months it's gonna be another 10% and it's 5 until the handover. The handover it's gonna be October 2029.